Hi every one of you, this side Raj here. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here in this YouTube channel, I will be sharing you different kind of ideas as well as different kind of approaches in the way in which you can improve your studies as well as you can do and practice this effect to make new senses in different kind of things. सो जनरली इस पीरियड ऑफ लॉकडाउन में चाहे वो स्टूडेंट हुआ या फिर वो टीचर हुआ या फिर वो एक एम्प्लॉय हुआ, सो देयर आर द लिस्ट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम दैट एवरीवन ऑफ अस फेसेस. नंबर 1, द लैक ऑफ मिसमैनेजमेंट. नंबर 2, rhythm. Number 3, consistency. And number 4, effort as well as focus. So by keeping all those things in mind, I have made a 24 hours or 25 hours challenge for each and every one of you. So what is 25 hours challenge and how it will help you to enhance your capability? So here I will be telling you about 25 hours challenge and what you will do. Number 1, we are having 7 days in a week. So here we have to divide that 7 days on the basis of task. मतलब एक वीक में हमारे पास 7 डेज है, तो 7 डेज को हम लोग टास्क के बेसिस पे डिवाइड करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर कोई एक स्टूडेंट है और वो कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाता है, तो यहाँ पे उसको हर 7 डेज के लिए अलग अलग डिफरेंट टास्क के हिसाब से अपने वर्क को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. नंबर 2, द प्राइम टारगेट विल बी that you have to study for minimum 3 to 4 hours every day, so that at the end of a week you can complete that 25 hours. So now it's depend upon each and every individual how you have to divide your task as well as how you have to divide your time. But the target will be in a consistency week of 7 days of a week you have to complete that task. Third, you have to follow it on the basis of daily routine. Actually, you have to study for a span of 3 to 4 hours every day, so that you can finish up your target. So at the end of a week, you will notice that you have started following a rhythm as well as you have started following a routine, and that is very much helpful for each and every one of us. Then fourth, after completing your task and after completing a week, you have to check how many number of hours you have studied. Maybe you will lack, maybe you will go exceed, but it will help you to build your consistency, to build your rhythm that you have lost in a period of time. So I will be giving you different kind of tricks as well as ideas. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone of you.